Hello, this is Subodh. Today I will be talking about one of the famous SQL question which was asked in PepsiCo interview last month, and it is related to our banking or ATM transaction table. So every bank or ATM they maintain a transaction table. So it could be like this. Here we have a transaction ID, account ID, transaction type, what is the amount, and transaction date and time. So the thing is, here if you go to ATM, we do some credit or we do some debit. Okay, so for single day you can do multiple credit or debit. So in this case, this person, if you see this account ID 1, has done three transactions in a single day. So that person has deposited 100 rupees, uh, credited 100 rupees, debited 200 rupees, and credited 50 rupees. So that person will have left in the end of the day amount will be around 130 rupees. Okay, because 100 rupees credit, 50 rupees credit, 150, 20 rupees debit, it would be 130. Okay, so in the question, we have to write a query which will help us to get the every end of the day left amount in their account, which means previous day left amount will get moved to the next day amount. Okay, here is the one catch I just have it added into the question. Whatever left in your previous month in your account, it will not get carried forward to the next month. So whatever, let's say in the starting of the month you had 10,000, you have used 9,000 rupees, 1,000 left. So next month you will not get that 1,000. It will again start from 10,000. Okay. So that's how we have to write a query. So let's start writing the query from the scratch. So first what we will do, I will just tell you the approach. What we have to do, we have here credit and debit. So, but amount is in positive. So we will make this amount as a negative or positive, and we will get a for single day what is the total amount left in their account. So first we'll write a single CT. Then from the next part, in the next part, we will try to get a total amount left uh, every day in their account, and next month from zero we will start. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's copy it. In this query I will try to write select account ID. Okay, then we have a transaction date time. Okay, so we will have to cast this date and time into the date because we will have to talk in a dates, not in a date and time. Okay, so let's cast it as a date. Okay, as we can call it a transaction date. Okay, then for that day we will do the sum, so we'll use sum, and also we have to convert this credit and debit into the negative and positive, so we will use case when type equal to credit, which means if transaction type is credit, then don't touch it. Okay, else, because we have only two type of transition, so we will use only single condition and rest we will put into the else condition. Rest make the amount negative. That's how we will add sum the amount, and we will make it as daily amount. Okay, we have a table, I think we have already written, so let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, so let's run this. We have a aggregation, so we will write a group by condition, group by account ID, then this part, date and time. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so if you see here, we have got a total amount left every day. So if I will remove this part, okay, and if I will run only this much, mm, okay, from here we have to run it. Okay, so if you see, for each day, for each account ID, we have got amount as negative and positive. 100 rupees was credited, then 20 rupees were debited. That's why it has become 20, my negative 20. Then 50 again debit. So that's how for single day, how much we will have 130 rupees if we will sum it. So that is why I was using sum here. Okay, so let's run this. We have got 130 rupees. Okay, now what we have to do in the next part, for each account ID, we have to do the sum for each day. Okay, then if we will move to next month, then we have to make our amount as 0. So we will not do as explicitly. We will create a partition in such a way that it will start from 0, or it will start from whatever amount is credited in that account as a first day, or starting, or I will say first time in that particular month. Okay, so we will make it CT first. CT, we can call it a daily transaction. Let's make it like this. Okay. Ref. What's the issue we have here? Ah, okay, okay. Okay. So this is run now. Let's move to the next part. We need account ID. Okay. We need transaction data as well. So let's copy this part. This part, this part. Uh, okay. So now here we have to do the running total of this. So it will happen? Let's do it. So for account ID 1, 130 rupees is left. For account ID 1 again, second day, 40 rupees. So what will happen? 30 rupees, it will come here 130, then it will come here as a 130 plus 40. Okay. Then from this month, it will come to next month. So it will start from again 190. So 190, then plus 40. So that's how it will do. Okay. So to sum of daily amount. We have this daily amount. Okay. Over partition by account ID, because for each account we have to do this. Then here we have to do for a month as well, but it could be one condition as well. If your data has for multiple years, so we will have to consider a year as well, right? So we cannot go with only month. We will have to go with a year as well. So what I will do, we have this transaction date. Okay, so from this transaction date, what I will do, there is a one function called, I think, date from parts. So from this date I can extract something to date parts. Okay, we have this, we'll get here. Okay, Then we need month as well. Then make it 1. Why? Why make it 1? Because we will group it by, or we will partition it by from the first day of year or month. Okay, so that's how it will work. Now we can call it as a, okay, I think it is a partition by, so let's make it like this. Disclosing, we'll do order by transaction date, because for each day in our order we have to get the running total. Okay, now what we have to do here, we will do the running total till that row. Okay, so let's say if your data is for 10 days, so from that 1st of January 2026, we will start the sum, and till of, of the 4th day we have to get the total, because we will not do the running total for all the rows. From the first row till that row we have to do the running total. Okay, so if you see here, so we'll start with 130, then we will go to 2nd, 2nd of January. Okay, then again we will go to 1st of February. So 1st of February it will start from 190. Yeah, 1st of February it will start from 190. So let's come here. This we have a function called rows between unbounded preceding, something called previous unbounded preceding. Uh, the spelling of this PRECEDING, unbounded preceding, and unbounded preceding means from the first row, okay, till current row. Till current row. Okay, so we will get this and make it as, where this is closing, as end of the day balance. Okay, so let's go through it. Sum, it is starting here, so this is closing here. Ideally this should not get closed here, so let's remove this. So we have this. Okay, so this is closing here. I'll remove star from here. I run this. Okay, so here if you see, we have got whatever we were looking for. For first day of January we have got 130. Okay, and first day of February we have got 190, which should be, and 2nd day of January we have got 170. So that is how we will do here. You can put it order by condition as well, account ID, and then transaction date. So you will get in a, for each day, for each account ID. Okay, so that's how we will get this result. There is a one more way you can do it. You can just create a same way. This part would be same, and instead of row between unbounded preceding and current row, you can use sum and running total from that row for that particular month. So that will also work here. Thank you.